Okay, so today we're talking about balanced audio. And balanced audio is this really clever way of creating noise cancellation by sending the same signal twice down a cable. Okay, so you need special cables for this. This cable here, which is our phone jack with a TS connector on the end, tip and sleeve. This can only carry two things down. It's got two wires, so it carries the signal and the ground. So we can't use this for balanced audio. Our XLR, however, we've got our three connectors there, 1, 2, 3. So we've got one for the ground, one for the signal, and then we've got an extra one. So with that extra one, we send the signal inverted. Okay, so when the two signals travel down the cable, we've got our signal, and I'm going to use this very simple sine wave to draw that. That's our signal traveling down the cable. Okay, that's number one. Number two is the exact same thing, but in the opposite direction. Oh, pretty good. Okay, so these are traveling through the cable in the opposite direction. So because these are exact opposites of each other, if we were to stop and listen, they would kind of cancel each other out. Okay, because here we've got sort of +1, and here we've got -1. So if you added those together, that would become 0. Okay, so as they travel down the cable, and let's say this is a really long cable, because this is what we need our balanced audio for. Let's say this is traveling for 600 meters. Goes past a power line, goes past a whole bunch of people's different cell phones and radios and things like that. And so it's picking up all this extra noise. So the signal is traveling from our microphone, good drawing, and it's heading to our mixer. When it gets to the mixer, we flip this one over. Okay, so that means that it is now going the other way, going like this again, and then the noise is actually traveling in the other direction. Okay, so when we add them together, the two signals that we like, they actually boost each other and they get bigger, and the noise is cancelled out entirely. Okay, so for the balanced audio, because it needs those 3 points of connection, we have to use our XLR or our TRS. Okay, those are the only ways you can do the balanced audio. Cables like this one, for example. Yes, this does have a TRS on this end, but because it is separated into left and right on this end, this is only going to carry stereo audio, left and right, and it's not going to be balanced. Okay, so you have to use our XLRs and our TRS. But that's it. It's a really clever way of creating noise cancellation.